Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to update resume on Indeed. Why would you want to know how to update resume on Indeed? Well, maybe it is your first time using Indeed and not sure how to update resume on Indeed. So today I am going to show you how to update resume on Indeed. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Updating resume on Indeed is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open the Indeed app. You are seeing three lines at the top right corner. Click on it. Here, click on Profile. Now you are seeing Resume option. Click on Resume. From here, you are seeing pencil icon. You can update every single point from here. You can update multiple skills and languages. So there you go. If you are wondering how to update resume on Indeed, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.